Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're looking at our favorite character in Marvel Champions form, Hero Pack. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Wolverine Marvel Champions, the card game, Hero Pack. Okay, so you can see in the front, we have our main man, Wolverine, all claws out. And at the back, we see the Marvel Champions, LCC, and I don't know what this logo is. And a quick description that this 60 card hero pack includes one pre-built Wolverine deck along with new cards that can be added to any Marvel Champions hero deck, a new modular set that can be added to scenarios, and a Nemesis set featuring Omega Red. So we have here... Who is this one? This is Yuriko. Okay. And of course, Omega Red. A Marvel Champions core set is required to play, which we do not have. Okay. So, a quick background. We purchased this from Team Board Games in Singapore. You can check out their websites for other merchandise. Okay. And I decided to purchase this one because even though I don't know how to play Marvel Champions, I did watch a video and I absolutely did not understand it. So I did not imagine that the core set is required. Okay, so but anyway, I love Wolverine, and let's see. We probably will put this deck in a binder, okay, for our viewing pleasure. For now, let's open it. Okay. I also saw some other X-Men characters like Cyclops deck. There was a Storm deck. There was a Gambit, Quicksilver, Scarlet Witch. What else am I missing? Was there a Cable deck? I'm not so sure. Okay, but I cannot get all of them. Too pricey for me. So I just wanted to get the main character, which is Wolverine. Okay, so a few more information here. UK, EU, and some comic panels, I guess. Is there anything here? Ooh, there's something behind it. Okay. This might be the scenario. Ah, no. Okay, the card game champions. Okay, so we're not gonna read all of this, but if you want to do so, you can pause the video. Wolverine Hero Pack. Okay, gifted with a powerful healing factor and armed with adamantium claws that can cut through anything. Wolverine is the best at what he does. He truly is. Though trained as a killer by Weapon X, Wolverine has dedicated his life to being one of the X-Men. Okay, so Wolverine is aggression. Definitely. Wolverine begins the game with Wolverine's claws in play. Use his claws to play an attack event for free by taking damage equal to its cost. If you use Wolverine's claws to play Lunging Strike, the attack gains overkill and piercing. Wolverine's healing factor ability will heal 2 damage from him at the start of each player phase. With the aggression aspect, play the warrior skill upgrade and use its warrior counters to make attack events like Cut My Way. Deal 1 extra damage. Use aggressive energy to pay for that attack to have it deal another damage, bringing its total 2 plus 2 damage. Wow, that is a mouthful. Okay, so anyway, so credits to these guys and our play testers. A lot of them. Oh, it's a poster of Wolverine. Probably I'll put it in a certificate and probably display it. Okay, but for now, let's go back to unboxing. Okay, so we see Wolverine here. We see already numbers 222, attack, defense, and I think this is Thwart. Okay, so hero, X-Men, healing factor, response. After the player phase begins, heal 2 damage. I'm the best there is at what I do, but what I do isn't very nice. Hand size 5, hit points 10. Okay, So that's the depth of my knowledge when it comes to this game. So I'm just basically reading what's in the card. Okay, I don't know what they mean, whether the cards are good in game or not. So if you have played Marvel Champions or playing Marvel Champions, I think this is a new table game. Okay. When was this created? Okay, there's no indicator here. But anyway, it seemed like a new card game. But I'm only here for the cards. Let's see. There we go. Let's go. So this should be 60 pieces. Wolverine. Another Wolverine. Wolverine's claws. Okay, so this plays automatically with Wolverine. Oh, we have Jubilee. Like it, Jubilation Lee. We have Adamantium Skeleton. Berserker Fury. I got better. Logan's Cabin. Okay. That's why I love this particular deck or hero pack, because it emphasizes on my favorite character. So you can see Berserker Barrage. Another Berserker Barrage. Okay, so I guess you can play multiple of the cards. Just like Magic. Slice and Dice. Lunging Strike. It's like fastball special. Struck by Scent. Regenerative Healing. Psylocke. Sunfire. Shiro Yoshida. Battle Fury. 1, 2, 3. So I guess they're more commons. Warrior Skill of Psylocke. 3 copies. Out of my way, Banshee. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Precision Strike, Cyclops. 3 as well. Mean Swing from Wolverine versus, is that Exodus? Aggressive Energy by Havoc. And then Colossus. Okay, so we should have sorted it out with character cards, etc. Okay, Weapon X. It's too late now. Fastball Special, only 1 copy. Energy. Oh, this looks a bit. This is nice. Genius Strength. Who is this one? I forgot about this. Past Demons. Omega Red. Let's see. Okay. What's SCH? Attack and 8. I don't know what that means. Okay. The Carbonadium Synthesizer. That Factor. Oh, so now it becomes Omega Red related cards. That Factor. Tentacle Strike. Stop. Okay. Let's stop. Oh, sorry. Oopsie daisy. Okay, let's see. Stop. The remaining cards are not part of the Wolverine pre-built deck. Okay. So let's set aside the pre-built deck. The player cards before this divider compose a pre-built deck for Wolverine. There is a deck list on the reverse side of this card for your reference. The cards after this divider can be used when building your own custom player deck. The rules for deck customization can be found in Appendix I of the rules references. So let's see. This is what we opened. Okay. And let's go to the random cards. We have Command Center. Okay, I'm glad it's still X-Men because I see Cyclops there. 3 of them. Long Shot, happy to get you, buddy. Another Fastball Special. Lady Deathstrike, good to have a minion. Okay, Seeking Vengeance, Lady Deathstrike. Okay. Adamantium Upgrades, Lady Deathstrike. Hack and Slash, Lady Deathstrike. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, even though we did not explain the game. You can go to other YouTube channels to watch the quick intro of how to play Marble Champions. I might actually watch another one just to get more familiarized. It might intrigue me to play. Okay, let's see. So until then, bye bye.